so this thing is the black locust. It fell down in like 2008, 2009. We had like a mini tornado, believe it or not, come through New Jersey. And there was a row of these. It knocked down 4 of them. And for a while we were using it as decoration, but today it's coming out. Tired of looking at it. It looks ugly in the yard, want it gone. So I was just removing those screws. My dad had put this block of wood in there to kind of, he had dirt in there at one time to make it a planter. So I don't want the screws up on the burn pile, so I removed all the metal that I could see. And now we're gonna dig out the stump. Not on the curb. And AJ's gonna be the operator today. So let's see how that goes. And when the tree fell down about 10 years ago, I counted 100 lines and it was rotten that big. So I believe the tree was probably 150 years old, maybe something like that. But, yeah. So the old house was right over here. The dentist's house was right here. So quite obviously they planted them black locusts on the farm. All right, I gotta go over there and help AJ. Here are brake drums. They're 7.5 inches wide and they're 16 inches. They were off my dump trucks or maybe the dump trailers. So I made them into pots, plant annuals in them. So you see a lot of them. They're all over the farm. They're very heavy and they hold the moisture good. The Grapple I bought from one of my other tractors, but it really works the best on that tractor there. It's the heaviest tractor, one of the heaviest tractors I got on the farm. And yeah, I made the hydraulics work for the Grapple. Looks good, but we made a mess, right? Sometimes that's what happens, right? It gets worse before it gets better. Here we have a burn pile. Is it on? On top of the hill we have a burn pile up there that we get a permit from the state forestry department, and once or twice a year we have a big burn pile up there. So that's what Jimmy is bringing up the stumps, and AJ is coming with the backhoe. We'll let Jimmy hit it with the backhoe, better operator. I'm gonna go get the chipper and get it started, and then I guess today we're gonna go down the back because Jimmy was mowing with the brush hog down the trail along the Papicating Creek, and he said there's a couple of trees down, so we'll go down there and work down there today. It's gonna rain by 3 o'clock, so we gotta try to work on stuff that we can do